Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And before I go any further, quick reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 20 hours from now, yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different to you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to, keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions, and then based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first thing before anything else, I'm just going to get rid of that line right there. The bloodshed has continued. But the key question really in my mind, and so let's just go with the 20-hour number. You're watching this video 20 hours from now. Question number one revolves around 135 down there, which is that green line. And the question, nothing complicated. Where's the price at relative to 135? If you are answering that question, that the price is anywhere within this general vicinity, then you know what? I'm going to chalk that up as a victory for the bulls. Maybe you're saying, well, geez, Clay, that's setting the bar kind of low. You're saying that simply sideways price action is, not okay. I mean, that's okay. Well, yeah, usually it's not really necessarily a good thing, but let's keep, in mind context. And the context is the price has been absolutely getting hammered. So, yeah, I get it. Sometimes, yeah, not such a great thing. But in this case, yeah, definitely going sideways, I would consider as bullish. So by no means am I saying that when you ask yourself the question that the only way that this chart could be bullish is if the price is somehow bouncing and is all the way up there. Now, if the price is up above, 155, 160, that's definitely a great sign that shows that not only has the price, bottomed out, but it's now starting to show some, upwards price movement. But even just simply staying around that area, I would still consider that, a sign of bullishness. Now, the next question is, well, actually, Clay, the price is down below 136. Well, that's where a little bit of gut instincts and common sense comes into play. Meaning, if you're watching it and the price is right down there at 130, okay, yeah, that's not great. The price is below it. But that's a big difference then compared to, if the price is down here at 120. That, if the price is down in that area of the chart, that is simply telling you that not only are the bears still in full control, the bears are actually gaining that much more downwards momentum and, just prove to themselves that, that they really don't want to, disappear. So use 135. It's amazing how much can really be told from a single level, but that's essentially the key area. Because right now, to give credit where credit's due, it has been able to at least produce some sideways price action. Actually got a nice little bounce there. Granted, that totally rolled back over, but at least some sideways movement is occurring, and we'll see if the bulls can kind of build from this or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.